Hello everyone, this is Pip Guru aka Wolf of Waves. Today we'll be doing a new video about some entry techniques and some confirmation techniques regarding the harmonic patterns and how we can basically uh, increase our chances of, uh, of or decrease our chances of false entry. So this is the chart. So beginning with the chart of the Euro AUD. Here is not a perfect, actually, harmonic pattern to start with. Not something that I'd be looking to trade, okay? Because the ratios don't basically simply add up. So this could be something you can look at, okay? This is a better on the daily pattern. Okay, as a daily pattern. As you can see here, you've got X, A, B, C, D. Okay, this looks like something like a deep crab, close to a deep crab. Okay, if we see the ratio here, basically, ooh, yeah, perfect ratio to look for reversals at the 3.16 Fibonacci extension. Okay. So what we're looking here is is basically a divergence on the MACD. This is a MACD indicator, and we're looking for divergence here. Okay, so basically we're looking for regular divergences. Okay, something that indicates a reversal of the trend. Okay, so as you can see, we started here an upside trend, and we're looking for a reversal on the MACD. Okay, so this is basically how a divergence works. Okay, you've got higher highs on the price, but lower highs, sorry, on the MACD. So as long as these bars don't go above these bars here, okay, which is this point, the deep point I placed earlier here, okay, the deep point should be here now. As long as it doesn't, these bars don't surpass the previous bars, we're good to go for a divergence. Now, I don't know if you know, but divergences are not that they don't always work well. Okay, so we have to look for other confirmation techniques to support our theory. Here, what I have is the awesome oscillator, okay, with a stochastic on it. And the stochastic settings, I think, are 533. Okay, we're looking for a reversal in the stochastic, okay, and for the stochastic to go below the zero line, which I have highlighted here, and for the stochastic bars to become negative. When both of these happen, with the divergence up here on the MACD, okay, I'd be looking for entry. And this basically just gives us more confidence in the trade. So our targets would be probably, okay, something like the CD leg retracement of 0.618, okay, Fibonacci, or even the 0.5. So I'll start taking probably profit at let's say 0.5, and as you can see here, we've got good support, okay, at the 0.5 level. So we might be taking some profit here, and then let it ride. Okay, let the rest ride, maybe half off, and let the rest ride till we see a reversal, you know, or till our stop gets our trailing stop gets triggered. So let's say, for example, I took some profit at 0.5, probably move my stop to 0.38 fib, okay, and let the rest go on and start trailing my stop according to the fibs. Okay, you never know. It could go on, reverse here, and go with the larger trend, which is which is to the downside, and keep moving till the extension. So you can see price going into 1.13, 1.27 of the extension of CD leg. Okay, this is one reversal, as you can see I have highlighted. Okay, it's the NZD USD. Another one, like I said, this the Euro AUD. Euro AUD is not a good one to look for because the harmonic pattern doesn't make sense here. We've got the NZD and JPY. Okay, another. It looks like another divergence is happening here. Higher highs on the indicator, on the chart, and lower highs on the MACD. Okay. As you can see, this is not quite a reversal bar, so not looking for entry anytime soon. But like I said, this is something to keep an eye on. This looks like another crab too. Okay, let's stretch it here. Just let's see that the crab is not violated. Yeah, so the 3.16 is above here. Maybe see some resistance up at this point. Okay. And once the MACD and the stochastic go below the zero level that I have highlighted here, we'll be looking for an entry on NZD JPY. So NZD USD, NZD JPY, okay, are two good places to look for entry. Another divergence, not a very strong divergence because the price is equal to the bars before, okay. So this is a type of a regular divergence. It's not too obvious, but nonetheless it's a divergence. Okay, and as you see here, we're looking for another reversal. So basically, the stochastic and the MACD going below the zero line, and that's when we should look for an entry. So AUD Canadian is another good. Good trade to look at. Okay, here we've got the Euro NZD. Okay, I think the NZD has been strong for quite a while now. Should see some reversals against the NZD anytime soon. This is on the daily chart too. This is the Euro NZD. As you can see, another divergence. Higher lows on the indicator and lower lows on the chart. This is the opposite of what the other charts looked like, and this is a bullish divergence. So we're looking here, for example, you can see prior to this at the top of AC, and that's another place where I trade harmonic patterns, is another divergence. It was a bearish divergence, beautiful bearish divergence. As soon as this bar, the red bar, crossed below the zero line and the stochastic crossed below the zero line, which is at this non-decisive bar right here, okay, I took a short entry. My stop would have been here. My stop would have been somewhere here, just above the high of the C point, and I would have trailed my position all the way to probably this point, okay, to the support we see here. Okay, so as you can see, the risk reward ratio is close to 6. Okay, 6 to 1. That's a beautiful trade. Now we're looking for a reversal. Okay, like I said, once the stochastic crosses above the zero line, and once we have the MACD, the awesome oscillator go above the zero line, we're looking for bullish entries. So here we've got 4 entries. Now we've got a 5th one. Okay, not quite the best, I think. Let's see. This should be either a shark or a cipher pattern. Okay, it's in between, to be honest. Not the best shape I'd like to see, or the best symmetry for this kind of pattern, but nonetheless, we're looking here at the divergence, bearish divergence. As long as these bars, the next bars, don't go higher than these bars. Okay. This is a trade I think that I've taken Okay, yeah, I think I'm in this trade. This gave us a bearish divergence. Okay, not a very strong divergence, but because of these bars, okay, they're pretty strong. Lots of momentum here. As soon as I saw a red bar, I entered here basically. At this doji, I know it's a doji. Okay, uh, but nonetheless, I still took this trade. I'm looking for it, and you can see my risk reward ratio. It's 2 to 1. Okay, I'm looking for a target right around here. Nice support, nice channel target. Okay. Um, Basically, as you can see, the awesome oscillator is trying to go above, and the stochastic is trying to go above the zero line. I won't close the trade if it goes above. I'll stick to my stop losses, and I won't start trailing anytime soon. Okay, until it breaks some support levels, and then we can look for take profit levels. So these are basically 5 patterns that I'm looking at currently. I showed you my confirmation technique. Okay, waiting for these to work, hopefully. And this is another video with Pip Guru, aka Waffle Waves. See you next time. Thank you.